That's
my secret weapon.
That's nice.
Attilla got stabbed right in the face.
That would be Thorny's secret weapon.
You know what that could be used for? Fucking moose and squirrel.
She doesn't run off permanently, but...
She's not leaving anywhere.
Careful, the leash was on Freya's ass. Yeah, Freya... The leash was Freya's G-string for a moment there.
There's no G-string. Ooh, she likes it too.
Yummy! Oh, yeah. Freya ass on
Dog ass matter. That's so wrong.
Dog ass right there. Yeah, we wish we could take animals to Penzance.
Me too.
No! No.
What?
Your dog, I would put, like Bodvar did to your pig, I would put a hit out on that dog to get rid of it.
You love my dog.
I'd like, dude, the dog disappeared.
You love my dog and you know it.
No.
She loves you, that's why she pees
Your
on
dog's got Down syndrome or ADD or something.
No, she doesn't.
Your dog's like, arr, arr, ooh, shiny. That's it, it's over.
Oh, look, a chicken.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, huh?